Nyembe, Nandi Nyembe, she was thanking people who donate some money, like Somizi. Some celebrities, they donate some money to Nandi Nyembe to get help. So, guys, sometimes if you want help, sometimes even you are a celebrity, to be a celebrity is not means that you can't be broke. You understand? You don't want help to people. Guys, don't be shy when you are a celebrity. You want help. Don't even too shy. You understand? Because most of the celebrities in South Africa, they are struggling nowadays. They are struggling. Some of the people, they are shy that what people can say. You understand? If you want help, so that woman, she doesn't have a pride that people can say whatever they want. You understand? If you want help, guys, don't even shy. Even people, they say, hey, she is a celebrity, she was working. Yes, she was working, but now, because money, guys, can't stay a long time to a person. You understand? So Nandi Nyembe, she was thanking people who donate some money to her, who donate some money. Guys, don't feel shy if you are a celebrity, because the last time it was Brenda Mkoli. You understand? It was Brenda Mkoli. Brenda Mkoli, she was not asking for help, but people saw her situation that Brenda Mkoli, she was not okay. You understand? Because people can saw that things are very hard, guys, nowadays. Even celebrities, you understand? Because you can stay a long time without a job, and it's a big problem. Brenda Mkoli, she was not asking for help, but people managed to help her. You understand? Because they saw her situation, and she was staying at village. It was not good. You understand? It seems like it is a same like Nandi Nyembe, because guys, when you don't have shy, or you swallow your pride, people can help you. People can help you. It doesn't matter that you are a celebrity. A celebrity means nothing, because you are a celebrity, but you have your own real life. You understand? You have your own real life. So if you want help, guys, don't be shy sometimes, because guys, people can help you. People can help you. Some people, they managed to help you. You understand? Because even you don't, guys, you doesn't care that people can say whatever they want, but those who wants to help you, they will help you. You understand? Because people, we are different. Some people, they are so talkative, but they doesn't help you with anything. You understand?